Hi there, I'm Steve Rowan from Pace Audio Services. We provided the interactive whiteboards and projector systems here for the Catholic Charities School. This is the system. We have a whiteboard, a projector, an overhead audio system, and a control panel here on the wall. I'll go over the control panel first. To turn the projector on, you simply press this on button in the corner. Same with the off button right next to it. Down the right side we have audio volume controls, the larger audio signal for increased volume, smaller for decreased volume, and then down here we have a mute button. On the left side we have input controls. The first button will change you to the Novo Connect bring your own device interface. The second button brings up the HDMI input plate, and the last button brings up the VGA input plate. Let's take a look at the inputs we have here for your projector. Down below the screen we have this wall plate that has a VGA connection with 3.5 millimeter audio jack. We have an HDMI video connection, and then we have a USB connection. The USB provides the touch interactive features of the projector back to your computer. I recommend using the HDMI video input most of the time as it is a superior connection compared to the VGA. So we're going to talk about the projector for a minute. This is a Vivitech 3500 lumen 1080p projector. It has a interactive infrared camera for touch pen interaction with the screen. There's a couple things you need to know about the projector. It is a standard arc lamp projector, which means over the life of the projector lamp, the brightness will decrease. Around the 3,000 hour mark, the projector will be half as bright as it is at the beginning of the lamp. Another thing you need to know about maintenance, it does have a filter that will need to be cleaned every 250 to 300 hours. It should be checked. In a cleaner environment, you may not need to actually clean it until 500 or 600 hours. But there is a mirror here on the front of the projector that you do not want to clean with a cloth. The only way to clean it is with compressed air. This is a first surface reflective area, and anything that touches it will damage the reflective surface of the mirror. We do not want to touch it with anything, ever. There are two pieces of software that you want on your Windows PC for using the interactive features of the Vivitech projector. The first is Novo Pointer, and the second is Novo Screen Note. Novo Pointer is the maintenance software that allows us to do calibrations of the interactive touch surface. I'm going to show you how to do a manual calibration. So we'll select manual calibration. The projector will show a white image, and as soon as it's ready, it will give us the targets that we're going to touch with the interactive pen. When we run through the calibration, we need to use the pen and select all of these targets. So we want to be pretty precise and get it into the center of the crosshairs. That will help your calibration be as accurate as possible. This is the Novo Screen Note application, which allows you to have a virtual whiteboard. So we can draw and write. We can change colors. We can erase. We can go forwards and backwards. This allows you to create complicated drawings, interactive things during class, and then come over here and select save, and actually save our image for archive of the class, or to share with students that were unable to attend, or if you want to use it for the next class and not have to redraw all the things you did, you can recall the drawing that we made. In addition to the interactive features that use the projector, this is also a normal whiteboard. So we can use dry erase markers and write and erase as much as we want. The screen eventually may need a deeper cleaning, and so we've included some dry erase cleaning fluid and a rag that you can spray on the screen and wipe off any residual pen marks that may have accumulated over time. Just like a normal whiteboard, you want to be careful to avoid any permanent markers on this surface. You should keep the rag and the cleaning fluid nearby in case someone accidentally uses a permanent marker. You can use the fluid to try to get it off as quickly as you can. If you do get a permanent mark on this screen, you can visit milestone.com. This is a daylight idea screen, and there will be more cleaning instructions on how to get permanent marks off of it.